Thank you for your interest in the Green and Healthy Schools Cool Choices game. This tutorial will go over how to register for a game and navigate the platform as a player. First, copy and paste the URL given to you by your game coordinator in your search engine. This screen should appear. To start the registration process, select your language. You can choose between English and Spanish. Next, enter your email address, select a username, enter a password and verify that password, enter your first and last name, remember to agree to the terms of use, and drop a profile photo. When done, click Register. When you see this screen, navigate to your email. Here, you should see an email from Cool Choices. Click the orange button to confirm your account. When you click the button, you should see this screen. This is the home page. Here, you will be able to see other teams and players, along with the actions they have taken thus far. Since you have not joined a team or created one, let's do that first. In order to play the game, you have to be on a team. Navigate to the Join Team icon in the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. For this demo, we are going to create a team. My team name is going to be Team 1. You do not have to invite anyone to your team, and you can keep it open or change it to invite only. When you join or create a team, this will be your home screen. You can see how you compare to other teams you are playing against. You can also see the badges and actions you can earn today. To play a card, click the play icon in the navigation bar. Here you will see all of the cards available to play. To learn more, visit Tutorial 2. Next, go to the Stream icon. This is where you will see all of the notifications each week on what cards you can play and what will be coming up in the future. Next, click the Teams icon. Here you will see all of the players on your teams and how many actions they have played thus far. Lastly, go to the Standings icon. Here you will see how your team compares to other teams you're playing against. To learn more about the Cool Choices game, visit ghswisconsin.org. And be sure to watch Tutorial 2 to learn more about how to play the game and how to play cards. Thank you for your interest in Cool Choices, and we look forward to playing the game in your school this January.